Which chair will work best for you? The Kijaro Dual Lock or the Coleman Portable? Let's look at them side by side so you can make the choice. First, let's talk about portability. Both chairs have carrying cases. The Kijaro case seems to be a little higher quality, and the Kijaro offers a carrying strap directly on the chair, just in case you lose or don't want to use the case. But the Coleman chair is a little lighter, weighing about 8 pounds, while the Kijaro weighs about 9. Next, let's look at comfort. These are both very comfortable camp chairs, but they deliver it in pretty different ways. The Kijaro is super supportive because of its dual locking feature. It locks open and closed, so the seat doesn't sag. It has a completely mesh back, which is amazing on a hot day. The Coleman has a padded seat and a high back, providing great support. When it comes to durability, it's a little more clear-cut. The Kijaro chair is incredibly high quality, with thick canvas and strong mesh. The arms are reinforced with double-sided canvas. The Coleman has nice double-sided canvas on the body of the chair as well, though it's not quite as thick as the Kijaro chair. But the armrests are single-sided canvas. When it comes to features, the Coleman chair redeems itself, though, with this really convenient 4-can cooler in the armrest, big enough for some drinks or your whole lunch. The Kijaro has an extra-large cup holder in one armrest and a can-size cup holder in the other. The extra-large cup holder is big enough for a Stanley mug or hydro flask. These are both great chairs. I hope you can choose the perfect one for you. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of the products featured, there's a link in the description below.